Hi, I'm Aaron from Harley-Davidson, Guildford. I'm here today to talk to you about this black sport glide, which isn't just any old black sport glide. It's a sport glide that's been through our workshop and through our custom department called Guildford Custom, and we've had some one-off changes. The most obvious of which being this FXRT style fairing. Now the FXRT was a popular touring model of Harley during the 1980s and took them into the early 90s. It's a fixed fairing, i.e. it is fixed to the frame and doesn't move with the handlebars, so it gives great wind protection at speed and gives it that classic sort of club style look, which is a very popular scene in the States at the moment. To go with the fairing, we also added these Biltwell Risers and handlebars to give it a more aggressive riding position. To finish these off, we fitted the Harley-Davidson Get Grip, and then to complete the more aggressive seating position, fitted this really comfortable Pera step seat with the basket weave cover. Coming round for performance, we've added this S&S Classic Teardrop air filter and the S&S 2-in-1 exhaust system with a stage 1 tune. Some other nice little touches. Neil, our master tech who built the bike, fabricated these brackets to refit the standard Harley indicators to the bottom of the fairing here, which I think look great. Also, although these come with detachable saddlebags as standard, we've had the outer carcass painted and colour-coded to the bike and had the cutout for the badge shaved off and blended in. One of my favourite parts of this bike has really got to be this FXRT fairing. Not only does it look great, but it also offers a great bit of wind protection, and then blending in nicely on the front with this blacked out LED headlight just gives the whole bike a really aggressive stance from the front. I think what makes this really special is I've yet to see another sport glide in the UK with this fairing fitted. I don't know if we're the first for sure, but we have got to be one of the first in the UK to make this happen, which I'm really proud of. This particular machine has just rolled out of our workshop and is actually still available, and all yours for $22,195. Thanks for watching, and for more inspiration, please check out our social channels where we have photo galleries full of our previous creations. And if you want any more info on anything you see, please get in touch via our social or via our website at lind.co.uk.